Hi, I'm Artrice. I'm in the military, so I move around a lot. And I initially only wanted to learn how to do locks so I can learn how to care for me and my kids' hair. I basically had just moved to Alaska. There are two people that I went to put holes in my locks, and the retwist lasted for like 3 days. So I ended up calling Yanni, took a couple classes. I learned how to style, care for me and my kids' locks. My retwists are amazing. The styles were amazing, something that I didn't know how to do at all. I just did ponytails or down, make sure I use proper hand techniques and do all that good stuff. So fast forward, I even have the outside people that are not in the military that go through the trauma of getting a pass to get on post to where I am. I did my taxes. I didn't even realize this last year taking her online course has added about 20 grand to my salary as a hardworking soldier. So definitely worth the investment.